Hi there, this is David Detman for social media for smallbusiness.com.au, and we're going to do step 3. Now I'm going to do a fairly detailed demo in this so you can understand how to put banner ads on your website or your WordPress blog. Okay, I'm going to be doing this on one of our demo sites. First thing you need to do is go in to the affiliate dashboard, make sure you're logged in, because you're going to need your reference code as part of the banner. Go straight to ads. Okay, now what you need to do is grab the banner which suits. Now there'll be more banners on here in time, but say if you wanted to do this banner here for the webinars, alright, and you wanted to put it in a blog post, okay, highlight the whole thing, we'll select all and then do it, copy it. Now what you want to do if you're using WordPress, okay, I'm going to use the demo site to do this in. Try this on the demo site if you want first, if you're a gold member. Just click on the demo. Now the password is demo, alright, and the username is demo. So alright, and demo again. Okay, so if this was your WordPress blog, we'd be logging in under your details. Okay, just waiting for the page to load. Now if you want to do a blog post or a page, you can do either. Let's just do a post because the format is the same for both. Okay, so add new. Demo showing you how to add, just dismiss that, add a new ad, just copy and paste into the HTML area where you would like the banner to go. Okay, so go to HTML. Alright, we're just going to put the banner underneath. Okay, so paste it in. Alright, now go back to the visual. Now if you want to do more with it, alright, you can see it there, it's working fine. If you want to center it, go like this, center the whole thing. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we don't have any categories on here, I don't think. So I'll just post, publish. Okay, so we published it. Let's preview it. Get a new tab. Okay, so there it is there. Now I probably should change the size of the post. Now I won't get into that because that's a whole nother topic, but you might need to sort of resize. This bar should be wider, okay, but that's how it would look. Alright, now if you're asking can you change the size of these banners, you can't change the size unless you were to download the banner, alright, and upload the banner to your WordPress and then put your URL in. Okay, and what I mean by that is once you put it on your site, grab the code here, alright? Now notice this code has join webinars, so it's going to send them to the webinar page. So just make sure you put that for people to click if you're going to upload it like a pitch art, then do it, okay? So you can change it that way, or you could go like this, okay? But behind the coding isn't there, that's all I'm saying. It's the size coding. Oh, actually it is, sorry. So you can do that. Alright. Okay, so you can change the size. Okay, so we'll update it. It's probably because I shrunk it, then it gave the size, because it usually doesn't. So you're looking here. It doesn't have the size, okay? But on the WordPress blog you can do it. So we go back and refresh it. See, I'm the teacher and I learn new things every day. Okay, it's still not right. So let's really give it a downsize, alright? Update. Refresh. Okay, so now it fits. Alright, now I'd make it a bit bigger. But I want to move on. Okay. Now let's do this make money one. Okay, and this time I'm going to copy the code. Now this just sends them to the sign up page. Okay, all these different ones send them different places. So just coding where it's going. If it just says your ID, it's just going to the sign up page. But if it says something like webinars, okay, sending them to the webinar page. Alright, and I'll just show you simply now what will happen before we do the next one. Okay, see how it's got social media small business.com.au, join webinars, and then the ID, okay? Alright. So the next thing you want to do, if you want to do a widget in your sidebar, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, so go to widgets. Okay. All you need to do is grab a piece of text, so just grab it out from over there, put it in, demo, banner, alright, whack it in, okay. Okay, that's done. Let's go back to the website. We'll refresh. Now if it doesn't fit your sidebar, you can use that method of using just a blog page to mix it up. Okay, that's something you could do. And then put the code in. So I'll just show you again. Okay, that's working fine on mine. But if we were to go back to a post, for instance, okay, if you had problems with the sidebar, we go back to a post. Okay, let's edit the post. So start with a new one. Anyway, alright, actually let's just start with a new one. Add new. Okay, and the new one we'll call resizing. Okay, resize those banner. Just put in here and just put in here and resize With mouse. Misspelt resize, that'd be right. Oh, let's call that. Better do that up there. I'll just put it like that. Alright, so grab the banner. Now you need to stick it in the HTML first. Okay. Whack it there. Now you could change the numbers, but there's no numbers yet. That's what I was saying before. Okay, there it is there. Resize it until you think it's right. Alright. Go back to the HTML. Bang, there it is there. Alright. Okay, so you've managed to resize it. Okay, just a little trick. Now you can always come in this demo site too if you're a gold member and simply just go through and see how I've done it. Now go back to your appearance, go to widgets, and actually this is going to be a bit smaller for mine, but I want to show you how to resize it if you run into trouble. Now you can resize your sidebar. Like I've said, that's a whole other topic, but if we want to just put another one in, I'll just put it under there. Okay, size, banner, demo. And the beauty there is coding, okay? You can play with this until you get it right, okay? Width and the size, okay? So a sneaky way to resize banners which don't have numbers. Look, on a lot of blogs you will have resizing. Okay, so we refresh this page. And we'll come up. See how it's smaller? How cool is that? So use the banners. I will show you other methods with the banners. Keep in mind you can always download the banner straight from the site just by clicking on it. It will go to the size, okay? But just make sure wherever you put it on the web, just put your coding with it. Okay, your D company, well yours won't be D company, but whether it's for the product store, right, which that one's in. So you'd hyperlink that and you'd put it behind the banner. Okay, you just copy it and put it behind wherever you're doing it. But if you're doing it on Google Plus, upload the picture to Google Plus from your computer and then put the code with it with a little bit of a write-up. That's what I do. Okay, so that is how you manage the banners. I hope they make you money. Please leave your feedback on the banners as well and what banners you'd like to see done. I can also custom to brand you within the business. So it's been David Detman, and this is for socialmediaforsmallbusiness.com.au.